A pirate eats a throat lozenge for the first time.
Are you ready for the doubloons? Because we are about to set. Oh, what's this? Hold on. Wow, this is actually, oh, really? It's really helping. I feel great. Avast ye, Matey.
We no longer respect you.
Oh, come on, listen, hey.
His head.
Hey, listen to me, you pirates. I won't be challenged like this. Arr.
You sound stupid. You sound like me, Dad.
Listen, I'm not your father. I'm the most feared pirate in all of the 7 seas. We're gonna go in there and pillage and kill. Who's with me? Damn it. Okay.
Why does this pirate now sound like he's a 2-bedroom on Wall Street?